In this video, I'll show you how to give a second life to a croissant that's no longer fresh. We press the croissant flat, spread it with butter, and sprinkle it with sugar. Place it on a preheated pan over medium heat. It's best to press it down with something on top. After 2 minutes, remove the press, brush with butter and sugar, flip the croissant to the other side, and press it down again. And here's our pressed croissant. But honestly, I prefer making them in the oven with a creamy maple syrup glaze. This recipe is just perfect when you're in a hurry.